Good day, everyone. Our group chose the study of Rosana Villares entitled A Corpus-based Analysis of Non-Standard English Features in the Microblogging Platform Tumblr. Our group members are Onarcy Fabrics, Vicente Carol Joyce, and Roa Melhart. So first of all, this study talks about the linguistic deviations from the standard use of English in computer-mediated communication that have been described by the literature as distinctive NetSpeak features. The nature of the study employs the quantitative research method and also it is descriptive in nature. As we all know, that quantitative research method focuses on quantifying the collection and analysis of data, the study explores the frequencies with which linguistic deviation occurs in the microblogging platform Tumblr, and that's why this study is quantitative. Problem and objectives. The main purpose of this quantitative analysis was to explore the frequency with which linguistic deviation occurs, in what kind of interactions appear, and to reflect on whether they are as dangerous for the language as some scholars have argued. In other words, the discourse analysis focused on a detailed exploration of the standard and non-standard use of the grammatical features, discourse, style, typography, and punctuation encountered in the corpus. So as we can see, the objectives clearly shows that it employs a quantitative method.
So, the next is the nature of observation. First is quantification. The use of quantification is to present the numeric number of the frequency in which the linguistic derivations occur or where the dangerous language will appear. Next is description and analyzation. They focus on the detailed explanation of the standard and non-standard of English features. The next is the results and findings. The data and informations were illustrated both in a quantitative and descriptive manner.
Now let's proceed to the data analysis. Based on the study, the analysis showed that the digital medium provides new features, that is the contextualization and clarification of the textual messages by means of multimedia elements or tags on the one hand, while on the other hand it makes it possible to edit the text and receive feedback easily. So in the data analysis, they use the quantitative analysis and discourse analysis. As we all know that the quantitative analysis aim at the understanding behavior through the use of conflicts, mathematical and statistical modeling, measurement, and research, while the discourse analysis is a research that a method for studying written or spoken language in relation to its context, that to understand how language used in real-life situation. Therefore, in the study that the corpus shown that standard features of our English are used microblogging messages to some extent contradicting the critics of complaints about the destruction of language. So let's proceed to the presentation of the results and analysis. The study data result and analysis are presented through a detailed exploration on the frequency with which linguistic deviation occurs, illustrated by percentage. The study elucidated that through a quantitative and discourse analysis, which illustrate the way the NetSpeak register works within a wide spectrum of formal and informal language. The result of the analysis suggests that the NetSpeak or non-standard linguistic features are determined by context and are thus more likely to appear in digital spheres such as social networks, blog chats, and users who engage in one-to-one conversation, or users who belong to the same in-group and in communicative situation in which hobbies and personal experiences are the most frequently discussed. So therefore, In the presentation of the data analysis or result analysis, the study entails the process of analyzing result from survey where the information is open compiled into the data for its easy references or based on its percentages as base illustrated on the study.